South, dirty, we dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got baby girl. East Coast, feel me. West Coast, feel me. Can y'all really feel me? Feel me. East Coast, feel me. Say what? West Coast, feel me. Dirty South, dirty. Can y'all really feel me?
What is up, guys? Happy New Year. First and foremost, happy freaking New Year. We're in 2021, which is an accomplishment. 2020 was trash. And I'm just happy to be in a new year. So hopefully 2021 will be good to us. No, not hopefully. 2021 will be good to us. You gotta say that. You gotta manifest it. But yeah, we're done with 2020, okay? We're done with the BS. We're done with negativity. We're gonna make our dreams come true this year. We're gonna be our best selves this year. We're just gonna do it all. I don't wanna talk about it too much in this video because it's not what this video is about, but I cannot wait for all the videos I have planned on this channel. The new year, we've got a lot of cool stuff coming. Mark my words. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to do. My hair is blow dried right now, if you can't tell. Probably not, but my hair is blow dried. It is rarely blow dried, actually. I don't put a lot of heat on my hair. I was just taught growing up that heat was the devil, and like putting it on your hair, you should stay away from it. I had a very long relationship, very toxic relationship with the flat iron, with perms, with relaxers, putting unnecessary things in my hair, and heat was one of the main things that I would do to my hair. So yeah, I am very frugal. I hope that's the word. I'm very frugal about how much heat I put on my hair, so I don't blow dry my hair out a whole lot. But when it is blow dried, we living. So today I thought I would style it up. I like to do these videos, for myself, just because I'm the type, I just want to like style my hair more. Like, I have to force myself to do it, and I just want to kind of see what different styles we can do with blow dried hair. So I am going to, it's already blow dried right now, but I do have a whole other video where it's basically a step-by-step of how I blow dry it, the tools I use, all of that. It's really simple, but if you want to see me blow dry the hair, I'll leave that linked at the end of this video. I'm going to just run my blow dryer through my hair one more time because it has been in a bun all night. So she's here she is in all her glory. So the goal is to do some cute hairstyles with this. We're going to experiment, see what it does. By the way, guys, I recently clipped the ends of my hair. You're gonna see that in another video that's probably gonna go up right after this one, but this is my hair with the ends freshly clipped. I cut off at least, I don't want to be dramatic and say an inch, but it felt like 5 inches. But honestly, I want to say I'll say like a little bit under an inch. Fine, I won't say an inch per se, but I'll say a little bit under an inch. I cut off and my hair feels great. It feels fresh. It feels amazing. Okay guys, well that's gonna be it for our video today. I think the styles turned out really cute. This last one, I'm like 90% sure I'm gonna look back at editing and it's gonna be crooked, but we live in right now. I think a lot of the styles turned out really cute. Let me know which one was your favorite. It just occurred to me now too, what would be really cute is if I did a whole bang full of these beaded ones. That would have been a look. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below. Let's be YouTube friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.